1 week later.
What is going on, y'all? Whitey here, back with another video. Just giving y'all an update on the garden. Cucumbers going crazy, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of that later. Peppers going crazy. I just picked most of my red ones off. Like I said, I'm gonna make some hot sauce soon. Got some new flowers that we're gonna put in front of the house, make it look nice. This ain't nothing to like a fruit or a vegetable or anything. So our cucumbers, I done picked most of all the big cucumbers off. So right now they just trying to grow some new ones. There's still some small ones on here somewhere. There's one in the middle there. Back there you can see it. But there's a few other ones. So they regrowing right now. Them little things will swell up real quick overnight, you know what I'm saying? Nighttime seems like that's where everything goes down. But look at this, y'all. I think that's a cantaloupe. Look how big it is. That's just one. And then I got another one right here. So I got two small cantaloupes that I found so far that is growing. Going crazy. Our sunflowers going crazy. Check this out. This is our strawberries. Now they've been doing the little runners. And what I did, I just wrapped a runner around the bowl to keep them in control, because it's gonna be going crazy. Try to go out in the yard, so when I cut the yard, I don't want to cut it. And also, this is our main plant that is running from. They all connected, low key. And what the craziest thing is, I want to say they're two different varieties, because I have my plant in here from when I first started doing strawberries, and then I got a new plant. So the new plant, they're white flowers. The old plant, that's pink flowers. And then the jalapenos, I done picked everything off of here, but we got more coming in. You see the flowers? We got more coming in. No big deal. My broccoli, man. Broccoli doing this thing. I had to do some trimming just to make it look better, because something was eating the leaves up. A little depressing, but it's back in order. When it starts to cool down, maybe we'll get a head of broccoli start to grow in. Not sure, but look at that cucumber, bro. All in all, everything looks good. I also got a cabbage. Made some cabbage. Take the bottoms of your cabbage and put it in a cup of water or a bowl of water. Let it sit for like a week maybe, until some roots start growing back. Then you replant it. That's gonna be out here soon. I wanna, since this is something that can survive the winter or whatever, I wanna put it more out in the yard. I need to get out in the yard more and set up some new plants. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. Maybe in front of the house here, because see how the sun hitting. I wanna find a good spot where the sun hits and then the sun misses. So I don't wanna get too much direct light and it be in there cooking. Like these right now, they're shaded. They get good sun in the morning time, and then later on the sun moves on. But appreciate y'all for tuning in as always. And until next time, y'all, I'm out.
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? Whitey here, back with another video. Showing y'all the garden, man, how everything is looking. It's dang near the end of the season. I was gonna add some more plants, but I'm not. I do got some plants that can go through the winter time. I got some cabbage that I saved from an old chopped cabbage that we cooked. I can show y'all that here in a little, but let's check out what we got. This right here is our sweet potatoes. Look at this. all of this vinage. Like it's going crazy. I just want to dig up to see if there's any of them in, you know. I want to see, but can't really tell.
3 days later.
What is going on, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. Another update on the garden. It's raining today, and just want to show y'all. Let me focus my camera real quick. Show y'all everything. Peppers going crazy. So many peppers. Sunflowers is doing pretty good. Pretty soon I'm gonna get these planted in front of my house. This one fell over because it started raining, or it was like a bad wind one day and knocked it over. But it'll be all right. So our cucumbers. Now check this out, y'all. I was out here watering my garden, and I came across this massive cucumber. Boom. Look at that thing, bro. Look at that. What the heck? Bro, look at this thing. What in the world? I ain't never had a cucumber that huge. That thing is crazy, y'all. But let's see what else we got. They be hiding. You gotta go look for them. Oh, this one looks funny. Look at that. It's like a leaf. It's like a little ball shape. And I think there's another one around. Another one. This one looks funny too. These funny shaped cucumbers. I'm gonna leave those there. Let them keep growing. And our cantaloupe is still growing. And where's the other cantaloupe? Yeah, right here. That thing's getting bigger. If we can find any more. Like I said, they be hiding, man. They be branching out real far. Like all this is vines from the cantaloupe going out the yard. Sunflowers. I told you our strawberries is coming in. I done picked one the other day and ate it. Peppers still coming in. Got a lot of peppers still coming in. Sunflower doing this thing. Broccoli still doing this thing. Like they eat my leaves again. Maybe it's a caterpillar or something. Something around here tearing my leaves up. I ain't liking that. But all in all, everything's looking beautiful. Looking good. Look at that. A bucket, man. Did y'all believe that? A bucket. Made the big old pickle size cucumber. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. Till next time, y'all. I'm out.